Last candidate, candidate number 6. At ang huling salita ay Timur. Ang bango mo in fairness, mukha kang galing sa ano, isipin mo na yung sagot, bilis. Mukha kang ano, galing sa aeroplano, galing abroad. Ulitin ko po, ang kanyang salita ay Timur.
In this year's intramural, we are reminded that true excellence in sports goes beyond winning. It is the value that guides us on and off the court. I, as a Remus Banwar, believe that teamwork is the heart of every victory. It teaches us that when we unite our strength, we can achieve more than what we do alone. Through teamwork, we turn individual passion into collective excellence. Indeed, with boundless drive and teamwork in our heart, we prove that intramurals is not about competition, but it is shaping every Remus Banwar in character and in spirit towards excellence. And I thank